Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock your Realme and open Quick Settings. Tap Airplane mode to cut cellular networks. This prevents roaming charges and antenna interference. Once done, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to access network settings because Airplane mode doesn't permanently block Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth is set as you need it for accessories. These steps isolate cellular while keeping local radios manageable, so you can selectively restore Wi-Fi without react. Now you add internet access. Re-enable Wi-Fi from Quick Settings or Settings Wi-Fi. Doing this after Airplane mode ensures only Wi-Fi is active. Scan and pick the aircraft's network or your onboard hotspot, then enter credentials or use the captive portal to accept terms. If a login page doesn't appear, open the browser and navigate to any non-HTTPS site to trigger it. Make sure signal strength is good. Move seat or adjust antenna orientation if the connection is weak. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting. Enable Data Saver and close heavy apps so the limited in-flight bandwidth serves browsing and messages. If connection fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the network and reconnect, or restart the phone to clear captive portal issues. Make sure Airplane mode remains on to avoid reactivating cellular. If nothing works, ask cabin crew if the service requires purchase or server reset. They can confirm network availability or payment steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.